today?
Very well, yourself?
Good. Can you share some tips on how you remain cool?
Yes, I drink lots of water every hour. When I'm sorting my truck, I like to pull into a shaded area. I like to take breaks in the AC inside of a building, and I pour water on my neck. I make sure that just every day I'm out there just
This is our
staying cool
hydration
with
challenge, okay?
shaded areas.
How we replace the weight. I want everybody to notice. This is 8 pounds of water. This is what you will lose during a day. If you can see on here, I basically make sure that throughout the day you have the timing of when you can actually drink some water to balance yourself out through the whole day. I know it's not easy to drink a lot of water, but it is something that we must put in our body. You need at least, okay, a gallon of water a day. For each pound of water you lose, you need to drink 15.34 ounces to replace it, okay? Basically a bottle of water an hour. So if you guys want to make sure that you're out there keeping cool, please make sure we replace what we give away during our work day.
Very good. Oh wow, look at that. You got a body warmer. But stay hydrated, all right?